It's an advent calendar / taste test moment. We're gonna do advent calendar, which we are on day 10, and we made orange berry muffins. Okay, so it's kind of like upside down cake, but here we go. Day 10. Open door.
Where? Oh, there you go.
Guess what, guys? It's gonna be chocolate.
We got another one.
What is that?
The same thing we got yesterday.
I would just say Hello Kitty. It's her brand. All right. So that is our advent calendar for today. Are y'all ready for Christmas? I don't really think I'm ready for Christmas, but we don't really have a choice here, so you got to get ready or it's going to go anyway. So we're going to try our muffins. I'm a little skeptical about this because I'm not really a citrus person, but here we go. I think these would be real good warm, though. Like, they're cool now, but... it looks kind of like a flower. That's the goal.
You can't really taste the orange, but it's like burnt. Like it tastes burnt, like the orange. It's not bad though. Is it good?
This for adults.
It's not.
This for adults. So, what you do is you put a pineapple in the bottom with a little cherry in the middle. That's it. It's a 10. Our holiday craft for today, we'll be creating snowman using nutter butter cookies. We have sprinkles. We have raisins if you want to use that for the eyes. I have gumballs of different sizes, M&Ms, Rolos. We have fruit roll-ups, which we're going to use to create a scarf,
and
pretzels for the arms. You get it. He's just going to look like this a little bit. Maybe. I don't know. But we're going to get into this craft project. First thing you want to do, and I like to do edible crafts. So you cover your cookie with, you can do white chocolate or you can do icing. We went with icing. We froze it so it got a little hard, firmed it up. And then you just decorate your snowman. So we're going to do a couple of them and show y'all what our progress. So far, we're going to do a contest to see who has the best one. But this is mine. This is Deanna's. She is currently using fruit roll-up to create different shapes to design for her snow person. It's a good tool if you need moldy stuff that's edible. And to our snowman community, these guys just appeared on the Moore Show.
So what happened is they went on the Moore Show because the daddy got pink hair. So in Snowman world, if it's really your daddy, you supposed to have pink hair like him. And he don't got pink hair. He got red hair. So they went on the Moore Show and they did a DNA test. And they said that he is not the father.
Well, here's my snowman. This is Papa's snowman. Here's Mama's snowman. And, uh-oh, baby head fell off. This is baby snowman. And when you turn into an adult, your legs fall off. So he's still going to puberty, just how you look at Junior. For this game, you're gonna need peppermint candy cane, or something to put the candy canes in them, like so. I will show you the game. The game is to pick up the peppermint. Why I keep saying peppermint? Candy cane. Without using your hands, you create a hook with the one dangling from here. You can make this a bit more fancy, but we just use some old ornament with a little bit of wire in it. So this is your hook, and you can transfer it to another bucket. That's what we're doing, or set a timer. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.